Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening iMovie and loading the project you want to view full screen. Once the project is open, make sure the timeline and preview window are visible. This ensures you control playback. Click the preview so it's active, then note the green full screen button in the window's top left corner. If you prefer a keyboard route, press Ctrl-Command-F to toggle the app. These first actions prepare iMovie's interface, so full screen mode will display your video cleanly. Once done entering full screen, you need to adjust how the video fills the display. Click View and choose Fit to Screen or Crop to fill depending on framing. Fit keeps entire image, Crop removes edges to fill 16:9. Make sure audio meters are visible so you can hear levels. If panels hide, press Command-Option-P to show or hide. You can scrub the timeline, while full screen to preview edits, and ensure transitions and titles look correct before you finish. To finish, exit full screen with Escape or press Ctrl-Command-F again, then save your project to lock changes. If the full screen preview is black or glitchy, quit iMovie and reopen it, or toggle display settings in System Preferences displays. Sometimes GPU or external monitor settings cause the issue. Make sure no other app is capturing the screen. After adjustments, re-enter full screen to confirm everything displays correctly and your edits play back smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.